welcome back to my channel. Today, the weather seems to be quite sunny and crisp, so I decided to go for a day trip to Burford, Cotswolds. I'm always fascinated by its beauty and architecture. So, grab a cup of coffee, relax, and watch all the pretty and quaint shops, cafes, and lots more. Now you're looking at number 31. It is a collaboration of 13 small independent businesses situated in a beautiful 13th century building on Burford. The brands offer a curated selection of high quality products from beautiful homeware, candles, and much more. You can also enjoy here freshly prepared, locally sourced food by Nutmeg and Thyme. Nutmeg and Thyme is Burford's only 100% vegan and gluten-free food outlet, allowing customers to enjoy something a little special and different. Personally, I think it's a very unique and traditional store where people can shop and enjoy freshly prepared food and coffee. Now you're looking at Three French Hens in Burford. Offers a delightful shopping experience with a wide array of unique and charming gifts. Customers appreciate the shop's eclectic mix of items, from humorous signs to beautiful wrapping papers, all at reasonable prices. Actually, Three French Hens offers a vast emporium of novelty and fun gifts, souvenir cards and home accessories to suit all tastes, and an unbelievably affordable prices. Bakery on the Hill is the perfect spot for both locals and visitors to enjoy the medieval town known as the gateway to the Cotswold, Burford. Oh my goodness, look at these mouth-watering treats. It's a cozy and friendly cafe with delicious food at reasonable prices. If you are visiting the Cotswolds, this is a great place to have a cup of coffee and enjoy delicious treats. This bakery is the perfect place to indulge in freshly baked British bakes while soaking in the town's charming atmosphere. Burford, located in the heart of the Cotswolds, is a town that's rich in history, picturesque streets, and incredible views of the surrounding countryside. It's also known for its honey-hued stone buildings and charming market atmosphere. Just take your time to explore the charming alleyways and to enjoy the high street. The town's historic character shines through, with the high street maintaining a traditional, welcoming atmosphere that feels like a step back in time. I especially wanted to show you this beautiful home store full of charm and character. This brand celebrates the art of slow living, combining classic design with elegant style. They are dedicated to creating timeless home interiors through collections of cushions, lighting, and much more. Everything looks so stunning here, full of sophistication and elegance. If you want to indulge in luxury elegance, then you are at the right place. Then I was just wandering around enjoying the amazing architecture of Burford. It takes you back into old times when everything was so traditional and organic. Looks like Little has changed over the centuries. Burford is popular with visitors, both for its beauty and history, but also for its shopping, especially antiques, and for wide variety of places to eat, with restaurants, pubs, and tea shops. People are enjoying the nice sunny weather. Burford is one of the most picturesque towns in England, with its old stone houses, attractive Tudor and Georgian architecture. That's the Lynwood Cafe. They pride themselves on serving the best coffee. The ladies are enjoying nice coffee in the mild weather. I'm loving this traditional passageway full of character and charms. I'm walking towards Lynwood Cafe side entrance door. Serve the best coffee with handmade cakes, using local seasonal produce wherever possible. Their seating area is quite traditional and charming and full of character. Burford is called one of the most picturesque towns in England, often referred as the gateway to the Cotswolds. The town was originally a fortified Anglo-Saxon fort which later grew to be an important regional crossroads and wealthy wool town. Now I'm walking towards Huffkins Bakery because I was a bit tired and I just need to be caffeinated and a bit refreshed. Looks like an ideal place to enjoy afternoon tea, handmade cakes, artisan coffee and sandwiches. The atmosphere looks quite relaxing and inviting. People were enjoying themselves. We had this lovely cake and coffee. So we were fully caffeinated and refreshed, so started to explore again the amazing architecture of Burford. We were just walking around and taking in the views and amazing architecture. Look at these lovely cottages full of character and charms. I'm always fascinated by traditionals and vintage sweet shops, so I decided to visit here. This is such a beautiful sweet shop and so charismatic of days gone by. Awesome old-fashioned sweet shop, all the old favorites on offer. This is a very beautiful art gallery and it's home to some of the most distinguished artistic talents in the country. Here you will experience the captivating and mesmerizing work of talented artists. This gallery specializes in contemporary and modern British art, representing both emerging and internationally acclaimed artists. They pride themselves on offering stylish and inspirational artwork for the classic or modern interior. This patisserie is located in the heart of the Cotswolds on the iconic Burford High Street. They offer a wide selection of delicious sweet treats and coffee for all tastes. The staff was quite friendly and helpful. The choice is endless, it's really hard to pick and choose. Such a fantastic, unique, pretty little patisserie. Dear viewers, if you like this type of content, then please consider to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you. So I was just wandering around, taking in the views, enjoying the nice sunny weather. As I am a nature lover, so walking around in the serenity of nature is such a treat for me really. The onset of spring is such a blissful time for me. Everything looks new and fresh. Days are longer and the mild weather as well. Looks like spring has sprung here. The birds were chirping happily and everything looks in harmony. Look at this amazing architecture. Now I'm walking towards the church. Another must visit in Burford is St. John the Baptist Church. This historical church dates back to the 12th century and boasts an impressive Gothic architecture. As you step inside, you will be greeted with beautiful stained glass windows, an intricately designed altar, and a sense of peaceful reverence. This landmark is not just a place of worship, but a testament to Burford's rich history and architectural heritage. This church was completed in the 15th century as a wool church, a testament to the town's historical importance in the wool trade. This is the ornate canopied dome of Sir Lawrence and Lady Tenfield as well. Burford Church welcomes 75,000 visitors per year and it's one of the 18 churches in England given 5 stars by the National Churches Trust and a must visit in town. Dear viewers, if you like this type of content, please consider to subscribe my channel. Thank you. If you are planning to visit the Cotswolds, Burford is highly recommended because of its amazing architecture, quaint and traditional shops, pretty cafes, and much more. I hope you liked this vlog. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one. Bye.